got the big rig, but that doesn't mean you own the road, does it? How you doing, buddy?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
You made it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, en route with
Chuck.
and Sherry. We are at
Mohican Wilderness
in Glenmont, Ohio.
at the meetup on the Mohican.
Meet up on the Mohican.
Correct.
Yep. So, whole bunch of us here having a good time.
Yep.
Looking forward to some festivities and fun.
Yep.
So that's all we got for now. So
Stay tuned.
This one's broke.
This was really loud.
What are you trying
After that, like, what is going on?
Okay, that's enough. I'm dizzy. You've been replaced, Barry.
And this kid's nice. Well, I don't know if he's nicer, but he's a better helper.
Yeah. Yeah.
But there's Barry.
Who is this helper you have here, Chuck?
This is my little guy. Thanks, man. Come on.
That's
Yep.
Matthew. Say hi, Matthew. All right, it is Friday morning, and you got a lot of eggs on that griddle right now.
I do.
A lot of bacon, a lot of toast.
A lot of everything. And we didn't have a lot of everything because somebody forgot
Somebody,
about everything.
I did. I didn't. Well, you
Yeah,
forgot the
you
bread.
said-
I
Who
forgot the
bread?
butter.
No,
I
you forgot it.
No.
Yeah. Who ordered the food through the
You order the food.
No,
you always
placed the order. You're supposed to double
Okay.
check.
Anyway, so thank goodness for the clappers because they got us some butter, some
Thank you,
bread.
guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's what neighbors are for.
That is. All right. You guys want something?
I'm being your camera guy.
You guys ate?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
record all
The boys want
weekend.
any of this?
They are too busy for me if they won't eat.
Come on in then.
You did not have to.
Come on in.
Now, after over 1,000 decades
You're
of
like,
marriage,
You're
How are
like
you
making
Chuck
breakfast
with that
tomorrow,
thing
so-
all up in my face.
now after 1,000 decades of marriage to this man,
Yeah.
how are you
It
feeling
feels
today?
Like 1,000.
How are you feeling today? I saw your
I'm
video.
feeling okay.
It was an anniversary.
I'm surviving.
Okay.
It's all about surviving.
Morning,
I'm just
Chuck.
trying to cook. Is he recording or is he messing with me?
He records like you up in everybody's face.
Did you, Rich? No, that's you.
No.
Now, apparently, Chuck uses a head glimmer and shine polish in the morning. I gotta go.
Stop it.
He's just a common snake. You can pick him right up.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Go pick him up,
You
Chuck.
can pick him right up.
Yeah.
He's
Ooh,
looking at us.
he's
He
looking
says,
right
hey.
at. Ooh, no.
He's not doing nothing.
Is that
He wants-
a rattle I hear?
No.
Stop
yeah,
it,
right.
Joe.
Yeah, right. Kids rattle. Ain't no babies or your buddy around here, is it?
Ooh. Now I'm gonna be on high alert.
Damn.
I don't like the coloring, you know?
Yeah, because
Where's
we
Barry
it's
at?
black.
If it was solid black, it would be a racing.
What do you think it is?
It's a
Moccasin.
mountain snake. Yeah, it's a moccasin. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Yeah, some type of moccasin.
Go pick it up, Chuck.
No,
No?
we're gonna pass on that. It's all good.
Are you picking him up?
Yes, that's all you gotta do is that. Bam, he's got
Stop
it.
it.
Watch his body will wrap around you.
No, he's good. He's all right.
Baby.
What should I throw him up in the woods? No, listen. Yeah.
No, Phil. Phil, that's where my site is.
Let's put it in the camper.
No.
No.
Phil.
Let me take him up in the. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, we threw him over there and he'd come back, so we're gonna take him down there by the river.
Oh yeah, that's a good sized black rat snake.
That's a red
A black rat snake.
What do you get? So she shouldn't go in the water then?
They're not really amphibious or water ones. They like the dry land that you cut.
What are you gonna do with
mice,
them? What
stuff
are you
like
gonna
Take
do
him
with
up there in the field, though. I don't want to kill him. No.
Yeah, no, yeah. If you take them up in the field anywhere over
Don't
by
you
the
take him? I
longhouse,
thought you were here to
just
rescue
anywhere
us.
safe.
I got it. We can walk. No, I'll take it up. I can do that too.
All right, bye guys.
See ya. Yeah, right?
Good job, guys.
Oh, my good duty of the day.
All right, guys. We just played volleyball against these guys right here.
Didn't get a chance to film it. It's all right.
Yeah, it's all right, but we crushed them.
Yep. Meet up at the Mohican 2022 champions right here.
Woo! They don't even know it though.
Exactly.
So nobody wanted to play us in volleyball because I think they were scared.
Yeah. All you guys out there, we know.
You seen us signed up.
Barry and Cheryl, which we call them Barrel.
Barrel and Team CNC.
Yep.
And he was like, oh, we probably shouldn't sign up. So we took home the trophy. 2022
Where your trophy
volleyball champs right here. Trophy. Trophy. Look at these beautiful horses here. We're snacking. You are pretty. You wanna get one?
No.
Why not?
You
You're
can't
so
take care of two
pretty.
dogs. How you gonna take care of
What
one of
you
these guys?
mean? Aw. You're so pretty.
They are pretty.
Alright, let's do this, guys. What are you doing?
This picklebacks.
Picklebacks.
With homemade pickle juice. So we can have pickle juice in our pickle jar. Instead of someone
Say
drinking
that
all
3
the...
times.
Yeah, exactly. Long story, don't worry about it.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
That's
It
good.
just bites harder than that whiskey, though.
It does. That proper 12 is great.
That is
Very
great.
good. Thank you, sir, right here.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, you already have it. Okay.
So what are you three ladies doing right now? Explain that.
Okay. So this is this prototype. It's in prototype. It's called the shot.
And if you guys remember at Alum,
Yes.
she was running around trick or treating, right?
Yes. We're
Okay.
Trick or treat each campsite. So we have our shot glass handy, so we don't have to wait for anybody. So we're going to demonstrate 3 ways of doing the shot glass. The traditional way, Jess is going to.
Nice job, Jess.
Thank you.
The smart one.
This
right back in here.
I don't know, what is this, about 12-inch straw?
Sure.
I'm gonna go like this and go good to the last drop. Oh, good. And then you get buzz faster with your straw.
Here we go.
All right, and then Sherry's been practicing this.
You've been practicing this, huh?
Ready? Yep.
Let's see.
See?
Yep.
Get our hands
Yeah.
right. Nope. We're good.
Yeah, and your friend was over there operating the camera.
So where can they find this? Where is this available at?
That's to be determined. We'll put a link in the boat.
There you go.
Barrel.com.
Yeah, barrel.com.
Nice job, girls. For everybody. Well, here we are.
Who didn't get one?
Yeah, bullshit. Oh, you didn't. You're right. I got you right here.
You ready?
I am.
You excited?
I am.
She's in.
I didn't bring no fishing poles, though. Neither did Joe.
No, where's your pole?
Yeah.
I know.
No, because we're cruising. That's
All right.
why.
Let's cruise.
No,
feet.
see?
That's what it would
This
be.
is good right here. I'm good with this.
Gaps. I don't like gaps.
Ooh, that's sketchy. Ooh, that's sketchy. Oh, ooh.
So as we're walking, I let Share Bear take control of the navigation. How'd that work out for us, Ray?
Shortcut.
Yeah. Shortcut. Look what.
I said it was the scenic route.
No. You said it was the shortcut to the campsite, right? No. Didn't work out that way, did it? Yep. One for me. So these are our friends, boondocking with the Boyers. Okay. Introduce yourselves.
Brandy over here.
Sean, dad extraordinaire.
And
And then there's
And
the GSD,
Heidi.
Yes.
German Shepherd dog.
Now, everybody always talks about the Blackstone and stuff. Look at this. I mean, I wouldn't be a Blackstone king unless I had something like this. And don't mind any of this garbage right here.
We'll
Okay?
blur it out.
Piece, we still got love for you. I still got love for you, but I'm rolling all the way.
You can roll right out of it. Okay?
Don't worry, we'll blur it out.
So what's your specialty on this thing?
Smash burgers.
I love smash burgers, right?
Smash burgers. I mean, that's the request every weekend, pretty much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smash burgers, basic,
Easy.
easy.
It works.
Tasty.
And after trial and error, I figured out, I think, to kind of get that nice crispy edge, get them wafer thin.
Oh, yeah.
Wafer thin, they come out pretty good. So
They
I guess
come out great.
If I had a specialty, that's what it would be.
Yes.
But I've done the flank for our fajitas.
Mm-hmm.
I've done chicken wings. One thing I want to try is I've seen a butterfly chicken leg drumstick. Flat out. So that's something I'm going to try in the future. So
There you
that
go.
will probably be in a future video.
There you
So,
go. Looking
Nice.
forward to seeing that. And now, if you guys didn't already know, last night they put me to work. Yeah, see him laughing? Last night they put me to work and I made cheesesteaks at about 12:30
About
in the morning.
12:30 at night.
Yes. Okay.
Mrs. Boondocker was already in the
She
right
was
time.
gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
She was done.
Stella was asleep. Heidi was in the bed watching everybody.
Everyone. And then all of a sudden we're just hanging around and having a couple cocktails, and I see Chuck storm off, and he comes back with a mountain of onions and just throws them on the Blackstone. I'm like, what's about to go down here? What's about to go down? And then that worked out real well.
It did.
That worked out real well.
But if you guys don't, you guys go follow these guys. Boondocking with the Boyers.
Boondocking
Good
with the
channel.
Boyers.
Okay. Next up.
We'll
and
link 'em
coming.
up.
Yep,
Yep.
absolutely.
All right, what are we making for potluck?
So we are doing a rotisserie ham, which my man Larry
Larry?
helped me.
For moral support.
Yeah, he helped me string this bad boy up.
No, I did, but that's okay.
Oh yeah, Sherry did.
I did.
Sherry.
Sherry, Larry.
Rhymes.
That's right. Okay.
And we're gonna do a pineapple, brown sugar, molasses glaze.
And you have special wood over the
That's
right?
cherry wood. On it.
Cherry wood?
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. Thank you very much. That was very nice of you. Hopefully it turns out.
All right.
Hopefully it don't fall apart, right, Larry? If
You
it
know
falls
what?
apart, it's his fault.
There's a Pizza Hut right
No.
down the road.
Yes, that's right.
I brought barbecue chips.
There you go.
I got barbecue chips.
That'll work too.
Looks like it's holding tight.
We're in.
Thanks, Larry.
Right on, man.
It's always the tough part, getting it ready, getting it going.
That's why I came, man.
Yes.
So it's craziness going on over here.
All right, all these people have been on the camper crawl, and then they brought all their shots back to us. So
Stay hydrated.
I'm gonna make this glaze for the ham. Pineapple preserves. We'll throw some in there. Oh, don't quiet down for me. Go ahead. Keep running your mouths over there. Okay. Okay.
We're taking notes.
A little red wine vinegar. Not too much, but a little bit of that in there.
this is interesting.
This
Like,
ain't
are
my
you,
campsite.
It is.
You know what happens.
What are you doing, Sharon?
oh, sorry,
Molasses?
I got
come on.
distracted.
I mean, what the heck?
Oh my gosh.
And some brown sugar. Okay, hold on. Brown sugar.
Alright, you two. Go over and join.
Let's
So
see.
you don't even measure stuff out. You just kind of
No,
like.
you know what? When you're dealing with something that's sweet and you're just trying to have a little flavor, you don't need that. I will put some more pineapple in here, but I can guarantee it's going to be good. How about that?
I'm sure it will be.
It will be.
Good and sticky.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm actually going to throw some more in here.
All right, having a cooking class over here. Now, can you do like orange marmalade too?
You could, if that's the flavor that you're looking for, absolutely. Why not? Yep.
That is peach or pineapple preserves.
Yes.
You got it.
Well, here we are Sunday morning. Hey, Miss Sherry. I need another cup of coffee.
Okay.
And Vic and Corinne stopped by to say hello
Say
before they
goodbye.
take off.
I have to act like we're a couple.
Be nice, Vic. Exactly. I don't have.
When I left town, I had to pack him a lunch.
Right.
He'd be lost. Well, no, he'd be a fast food fanatic.
yeah.
Right.
No, that week I was seafood fanatic.
Right.
Yeah.
And your next adventure. Yep.
All right, see you guys.
See you on the next adventure next weekend, right?
Next weekend.
All right, guys.
All right, we'll see you.
Yep. All right, Sunday morning, weekend's over. Emily and Ray, they stepped out this weekend and came out and enjoyed some good times out here. Your channel,
4x4 play.
you guys go check them out. They got an awesome outdoor adventure channel, and it's just, you know, stuff that we do, they like to do, and we're out here doing as usual, right?
Great people.
Yep. So next time, when we're with them, we may be on a side-by-side.
Yes.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
We will not be as clean, and it'll be out of our element, but we're gonna make it work.
Yep.
Yep. All right, guys.
Well, wait, you gotta make sure they get on there. Hold on.
I'm not sure if this is a good idea, but here they go. Team Cheryl.
Hurry up!
Go Cheryl, go Cheryl, go Cheryl, go Cheryl.
Everybody does.
Woohoo! Team Cheryl, woo!
Everyone talks about my cooking. This lady right here, Melissa and Jason, Live Today Wonderland. She is honestly the best cook that I've been around. I'm being serious. She really is. If you guys could have a chance, which you probably won't, to sample anything that she makes, I mean, absolutely anything. Is
amazing.
awesome. It really is. She puts so much time and effort in the things that you do, and she gives you more advice than I do, but it's just it's great, and it was a great time with you guys this weekend. We appreciate you.
Huevos rancheros.
It was.
Yeah,
She's been
that's
talking
what
about
did it.
that for months. And if you guys don't follow these guys, Live Today Wonderland, you
Check
go
out
out
the
there
link
and
in our
check them out.
description.
Tell them how far you guys came.
7 hours.
Yeah.
Yep.
7 hours.
Yeah, but we
It was a
like,
great time.
Awesome.
Great time, great people.
we
an
love
awesome
our
weekend.
Ohio family.
It's Team Sherry.
Yes.
No.
No,
Sherry.
no, no,
Comments,
no.
Team Sherry. Let
Team
us
Sherry.
know whose team
Team
you're
Sherry.
on. No, it's Team Sherry.
Yeah.
And we also always talk about, like, when you're out at the campgrounds, meeting people, building new relationships. We're miles and miles and miles apart.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we're here together having a good time.
That's
That's what
awesome.
it's about.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Don't even start me up.
All right, guys.
Big Daddy gets real emotional here.
Go watch those guys. Go watch them.
Yes.
See you
Awesome
soon,
people. All right.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
If you're not familiar with that area, there are all kinds of campgrounds that you can visit there, even a state park. There's obviously kayaking that they have there, and canoeing, there's fishing, there's hiking. We went to that castle. There's a mill we didn't get to. There's all kinds of other sites within the hiking trails and the main park, Mohican State Park, that you can get to. That it's pretty cool.
It's a beautiful
Nice
area to
it
explore. We had a great time.
Cell service is rough, so if you're a cell service person,
there.
it's rough.
There's no
but
cell.
It's camping, so you're not whatever.
We just like it because we have family and kids at home, so that we want to check on them. So
Thanks,
that makes it a
Caribou
little
Dave.
difficult, but
You the man.
Dave hooked it up.
Yep,
So
you
thank
the man.
you. But
yeah, it was a good time.
it was a good time.
Met some more people. Met a lot of people we already know again, and got a chance to spend some time with.
Yeah, some subscribers came out. We appreciate you coming out and hanging out with us. It's always fun. It's really hard to like record at a meetup just because you're talking to people and you have these gatherings and but we
You just
try
gotta
to get
forget to do some of it
yeah,
sometimes.
so we got you some content hopefully. But that ham was good. We didn't get to show you the finished product,
Right.
but that ham turned out pretty good. We're gonna have to make
If you
it
had
again,
some of
I
that ham,
guess.
let me know what you thought of
Right.
it underneath there. It was alright.
It's just alright. I liked it.
But,
But,
yep, off to another meetup next week, and
Yeah, back-to-back meetups.
yep, off to another good time.
So,
So,
we're
till
looking
next
forward to
time.
it. Oh, yep.
Yeah,
You
we
just
outta
cut me
here.
out? Okay, just cut me off.
Yep.
All right then. I guess we're out.
We out of here. Till next time.
Safe travels.